Hi, my name's Jenny Hutchinson. I want to tell you a little bit about the Level 2 Diploma in Primary Care Administration. The course itself is 7 units in total. A major part of the course is placement. You will learn skills in communication, in administrative principles, in administration generally. You'll also learn about teamwork, so it's really suitable for people who have worked in health and social care. It's also suitable for people who have worked in administrative jobs generally. But mostly we're targeting anybody who has an interest, who is over 18 years old and who has some availability 2 days a week for this part-time course. Apart from your day in college will be a placement opportunity, and we're very, very fortunate to have a collaboration and a good working relationship with the GP Federation, who have been able to supply GP practices who are ready and willing to take students like yourself onto a placement. We really encourage you to apply now. This is an exciting course. There are many applicants. We really look forward to seeing your application for September.